Adductor longus, one of 20 muscles involved in a side split, is one of the few paradoxical muscles in the hip. It both flexes and extends the hip, and if that wasn't enough, it also medially rotates, adducts, and horizontally adducts the hip. The muscle can become strained or pulled if stretched the wrong way, resulting in what is commonly known as the groin pull. To prevent injuries while working on getting your splits, it's important to stretch the right way, which is why we have created the Essentials package to give you a straight-to-the-point, step-by-step instructions on getting your splits. And at $4.95, it's the best investment that you can make for your body. Want to learn more about the muscles involved in the side split? Ready to begin your easy flexibility journey? Click on the link below this video.